Hello, everyone, and thank you for being here. Welcome to this masterclass Building Emotional Resilience for Career and Life Challenges. Today, we are diving into something essential for youth development, helping young people bounce back from challenges and setbacks with strength and confidence. Let's begin with this thought. Life throws curveballs at everyone. It's not about avoiding difficulty, it's about how we recover. What makes some young people thrive while others give up? The answer lies in emotional resilience, the ability to stay motivated, grounded, and adaptable even in the face of stress, failure, or uncertainty. Today's goal is to explore how NGOs and CSI teams like yours can intentionally develop emotional resilience in youth you support. So, what exactly is emotional resilience? It's more than being tough, it's the capacity to navigate stress, overcome setbacks, and stay focused on long term goals, even when the road gets bumpy. Let me give you an example. Think of a young entrepreneur who launches a product, fails to make a sale, then tweaks their strategy and tries again and again. What keeps them going? Not luck, not just talent. It's emotional resilience, that internal muscle that helps them bounce back with clarity and courage. So, how do we build emotional resilience in youth? Here are four core strategies that can be embedded in your programs. Growth mindset. Teach youth to believe they can improve their skills through effort. Mistakes aren't failures, they're data for growth. Strong support systems. These positive relationships with mentors, peers, and role models, they offer emotional protection. Encourage youth to build their tribe. Stress management. Help youth recognize emotional triggers and manage stress. Tools like deep breathing, journaling, or physical activity can go a long way. Adaptability. Teach them how to be flexible. Life can be really challenging. Life will change. The ability to pivot and readjust is a critical skill for success. These are simple, teachable, and powerful when combined. Now, let's make this practical. As NGOs and as CSI teams, how do you help young people apply these tools in real life? Mentoring. You could pair youth with mentors who model resilience, people who have been through it and bounce back. Then there's storytelling. You can share real stories, especially those of people who face hardship and come out stronger. Stories stick, they create hope. Challenge based learning. Give youth controlled challenges, small and real world programs that they can attempt, reflect on, and improve. Every soul challenge builds confidence. These approaches help resilience become lived, not just learned. Let's pause for a moment and do a quick reflection together. Think of a personal or professional challenge you faced in the past year. Ask yourself, what helped you push through? What is a mindset shift, a person, or a routine that made you really have that strength to overcome? Please take a few seconds to reflect. You can jot it down or pause the video here if you need more time. If you're in a group setting, feel free to share this with someone next to you or drop it in the chat. You see, resilience isn't just a theory. We've all practiced it, sometimes without even realizing it. To wrap up, emotional resilience is a lifelong asset. It helps youth overcome roadblocks, bounce back from rejection, and stay rooted in their purpose. The good news is it can be taught and it can be woven into every touch point of your program. If you're ready to help your youth participant build these kind of strength, let's collaborate. Together we can design programs that equip young people not just to survive challenges, but to grow through them. Feel free to reach out to me or Orange Memo team after this session to explore how we can support your mission further. Thank you so much for your time, your work, and your heart. Together, we are just not building careers, we are not just building people, we are building resilient, empowered humans. Until next time, take care and keep growing.